Welcome back to my channel, where today I'm excited to show you how I created this stunning epoxy resin lamp with red Mallee Burl and RGB LED lights. To start, I carefully cut the red Mallee Burl in half, revealing its natural beauty and unique patterns. Then, I created a custom form to hold the epoxy resin in the desired shape, covering it with plastic tape to ensure the epoxy wouldn't stick when dry. After that, I mixed up a small amount of epoxy and left it to cure for 5 hours. Then, I mixed up more epoxy and added a touch of blue pigment, giving it a beautiful tint, and poured it into the form. This was left to cure for 2 days. And began sanding it flat with 80 grit sandpaper. With the epoxy shaped and sanded to perfection, I moved on to creating the mahogany base, which I carefully measured and cut to size. Using a router, I chamfered the corners of the epoxy to give it a sleek and modern look, and then used the same tool to route out a space on the wood base for the epoxy and RGB LED lights to fit into. After that, I mixed up a bit more epoxy to coat and seal it, leaving it to cure for another 2 days. Once fully cured, I began the process of polishing the epoxy with a special compound, giving it a gorgeous and reflective glass-like finish. With the epoxy now looking stunning, I glued it into the base and inserted the RGB LED lights, which came with a handy remote control, making it easy to switch between colors and modes. Finally, I sealed the base with Danish oil to protect the wood and give it a natural and beautiful shine. And there you have it, a stunning and unique epoxy resin lamp, perfect for any home or office. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.